In this video, we'll explain exactly how to sign up for an IPTV service. First, access the link provided below to explore our recommended IPTV provider options. After clicking the link, you'll land on the home page. Look for subscription details. You'll see various subscription packages. Choose one that best fits your viewing needs. Now proceed to the sign-up page where you'll need to fill out some basic information. Ensure that you provide accurate information to ensure seamless service connectivity. Once information is entered, it's time to select your preferred payment method. Enter payment details and proceed with your transaction securely through the platform. After successful payment, you'll receive a confirmation email with detailed instructions. Follow the instructions closely to set up your IPTV on your preferred device. Connect your device to a stable internet connection for an uninterrupted streaming experience. Open the IPTV application and enter credentials provided in the confirmation email. Navigate through channels and enjoy your favorite content with vivid quality streams. Get the most out of your IPTV subscription by customizing your channel preferences. Experience top-notch customer support whenever you need assistance with your IPTV setup. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exclusive 2TV.store promotions for seamless streaming always.